Man, oh man, I wish I had this thing a few months ago when I was waiting in those insane lines at the Disney parks. Check this out. This is one of the coolest things I've ever seen, and I know you're excited to know exactly what it is. But before I show it to you, I do want to show you it comes in this very cool carrying case. You've got a really nice long strap that is adjustable, so you can throw this on your shoulder and bring it with you on the go when needed, which is great. But the inside, which is the most important. So this was sent for my review. Oh, and I didn't lock it. Oh, I can't show you the magic yet. All right, so this was sent for my review, and it is so cool. So this right here is a stool. I know it doesn't look like it, but this will pop out and can hold up to 620 pounds. So check this out. So you've got the little holes right here, and ooh, even, sorry, before I show you that, you've got a handle right here, and you also have this you can take off, and this will turn into a strap, and you can put this on your shoulder. So in case you don't want to bring the carrying case and have to worry about where you're putting this, you can do that as well. So we're going to put our fingers here and here. You just grab, pull, and then twist, and then it locks into place. And now this can hold up to 620 pounds. This becomes a stool. This is really great if you're camping, if you're at festivals, if you're at Disney in line. And so if I was somewhere where I was in line, I wouldn't want to bring the carrying case because then I'm like, oh, now I have to hold this. So the fact that this actually has like a built-in strap, I think is so fantastic and takes seconds to take down. You do the same thing. You grab it, you twist, and then you bring it down. Like, look at that, absolute seconds. Let's go ahead and sit on it and try. Let's see. Ta-da! This is so awesome. And then, man, you can just catch a break whenever you need one. Or, as I said, camping, festivals, if you're tailgating, doing all the things. You can also be sitting in another chair and use this as a stool for your feet. This thing here is so fantastic. I love it.